First game now. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the joystick. Okay, so go options. Okay, I'm just gonna do this now. Whoa, what the heck am I going? Where am I going? What? What happened? Oh my god. I think I went back home. Okay, whatever, but I'm just gonna go straight up here. Connor, and just turn up speed. Oh, nice, guys. We found a glacier. Sorry, I wasn't talking for a while. I just forgot I was recording. Okay, so how to get it? Okay, I'll tell you guys. Let me just get up to this glacier. Come on. Just out of reach. Oh, never mind. Okay, so how you guys get this is you go to Google or if you're on iOS, go to App Store, search up Fly GPS or Fake GPS, and it's gonna be the first one. Download it, and once it's done, go into the app. You have to turn on mock settings, mock location, and if you don't have that yet, you have to go to settings and then choose about phone and then press developer 7 times, and then you'll become a developer. You'll have developer settings, and then you go on and choose your location to start at, and then you turn on the joystick, and then just like that, you got the joystick, and it works really awesome, just like how I am right here. So awesome, guys. And we'll just keep playing with this. And just remember, 50 subscribers equals giveaway for this account. And I'm just gonna play now. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna catch this. We're Pokemon. What? What happened? Only 3. Okay, we're just gonna catch this. What? Ugh. Catch it, and you guys like try out the joystick. If you guys have any problems, just comment down and I'll help you guys find out.
Join the battle now.
So it'll be really cool to have it, so you don't have to walk around and stuff. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. Oh, I thought I was about to waste all 3 Pokeballs, but nope. If I catch this one, it'll be worth it. Oh, okay. That's good. Whoa. Did you guys see that? A sun smoke just appeared. That's legitness. That's total legitness. So, we're just gonna catch it easily, obviously. And X. Nice throw. Okay, one released. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's catch it. Oh, dang it. Man, this thing's rigged. This doesn't want me to get it. Oh yeah, that's another. Alright, just to show you guys the glitch. Okay. So if you have no Pokeball things, cubes anymore, here's what you do. And you don't want to watch the ad, just press the ad, go to the home screen, and then go back into the game, and you should get Pokeballs. It's really awesome. Let's just beat this Barney guy. I'm gonna wreck him. Just like that, I win. Ooh, plus 2 lures. It's actually pretty good. Okay, so that's it for this video. Boss out.